If you want to reset privacy password on OPPO Find X9, then first of all, we need to try to enter the password. This can be done by, for example, trying to open a locked app, hidden app, and so on and so forth. But in my case, I'm gonna open settings, go to the security and privacy, and then in here, we should be able to go to more security and privacy in order to find the privacy password. So if I actually enter a wrong password, then I have the forgot password option, and then you should be able to choose any of the methods that you have set up so far for the privacy password to recover the password. So in my case, I have set up a security question, so I can use that in order to get the access to the privacy section again. But of course, if you don't remember the answer to the security question, or if you don't have access to your linked account, or if you don't have access to the recovery email that you may have used, then of course in that case you will not be able to reset the privacy password, and the only way to actually fix this issue is by factory resetting the whole device, which is a little bit of course inconvenient. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.